You got a smell or something?
Yes. So if you...
So she was found down there, or whatever that is, that an office or something?
And all of this, everything in here was closed, and so, but you, like right starting here.
And no windows are open.
None.
It's winter.
So like right here you can... And then if you hover right here,
everything was off.
I caught it more on the left side.
They said that they didn't even make it up here. They had no idea that he was down as well.
Start closing, and we'll...
Want me to call for fire department? See if they can come out.
I think we need to somehow, let's get OMI to get here first. Then we'll
That's what I had, that's what I was
test.
telling him. I'm like,
Because
well,
we got to figure out why and what, because I mean, if everything was locked up, there was no signs of forced entry. There's obviously no initial signs of trauma.
well, the only thing is that 2 doors were open on the house, and so, and they never locked their doors, so there wouldn't be forced.
So they were unlocked, not, or they were wide open.
They were open.
Cracked open.
But they said that's not uncommon for them.
It's a secure area, plus it doesn't look like nothing
But-
disturbed or missing. Where else is this door? Does this just go out?
I think that goes outside.
No, mice or glue. And it's not him. Because you'd smell it right here.
As soon as I hover there, it's okay.
And they have a bunch. They have a bunch of gas lines to their fireplaces too. So yeah, it's not
Starting
here.
with that?
No, that was not on
What these
time.
guys did.
That one was closed. See, I smell it here.
This one like a
Pretty
gas or
pungent. Yeah.
That's like since the smell is amazing.
No, I can. Because I, like, even being in here gives me like this headache and my throat's a little funny. But,
Can you hear the heater on?
yeah.
I want to have them test the thing with the whole way the camera is.
Down.
That's a wood, right?
It's gas though.
That one with the wood is, or just not with it for?
It's still like a gas starter though. So your room, yeah, pretty much every fireplace has a gas starter to it.
Smell in there real quick. Get a whiff of something strong.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, like I don't know if these are just fire alarms or. So I was trying to see what a sign, because usually they put them low, but there's. Let's see what's in here. There's not very much here, and I don't want to see that for too long.
This was closed. Yeah.
And then it's a little bit more on this side.
What are those? Oh, bathroom.
And this room leads to where she was.
Yeah.
What?
Did you see the dog LT?
No. But from there,
Yeah.
Yeah, that leads to where she's down.
this their bedroom, I assume.
I would think so.
Bathroom is actually here.
Yeah, I
That's
think that
messy.
this is. Oh, he took it. AC. Okay.
I don't know if I wrote anything. Anybody do a walk through the exterior yet?
I did.
Me and Bodo on a walk around. I don't see any footprints or anything crazy. Other than just like that random dog toys all over the place.
And then, I guess, the security gentleman, I guess you got with you already for any type of footage at the gate.
Yeah, there's no footage up here anyways. I called, I have someone looking through the record for the clicker to see when the last time they used their clicker was to get into the residence.
See who's the last person that spoke to him.
Oh.